Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening WhatsApp and selecting the exact chat. That makes actions immediate. Once done, tap the text field to bring up the keyboard and make sure formatting and attachment icons are visible. You prepare what you'll write, short text, an image, or a voice note, so you don't interrupt flow. Then, use the paperclip for files or the emoji and formatting controls to start applying bold, italics, or monospace while you type. You now apply formatting and advanced edits. Type with quick inline markers like asterisk, bold, asterisk, or italics because WhatsApp converts them automatically. Once typed, press and hold a message to reveal reply, forward, star, or delete. Reply keeps context in group chats. For images and documents, tap the paperclip and choose camera or gallery. Add a caption using the same formatting tips. If spelling matters, make sure to proofread before sending, because edits are limited after delivery. You finish by previewing content and confirming recipients. This prevents accidental shares. Send the message, and once sent, you can long press to delete for everyone within the allowed time window. If sending fails, check your network, toggle airplane mode, or resend. Make sure you have the latest app version. If formatting or attachments look wrong, retype the caption, compress the file, or restart the app. For persistent bugs, go to Settings and report the issue through Help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.